Efficiency, intelligence, convenience, and comfort are what you've come to expect from the experts at Carrier. And the Carrier Infinity 24 heat pump with Greenspeed intelligence delivers that and more. The future of home comfort begins now. Using variable speed technology, the Infinity 24 heat pump with Greenspeed intelligence is one of the most efficient ducted heat pumps in the industry, with up to a 24 seasonal energy efficiency ratio and a heating seasonal performance factor of up to 13. The secret is the inverter-driven variable speed compressor, which is designed to operate nearly continuously, delivering more consistent home comfort with fewer temperature swings. But this advanced heat pump delivers much more than impressive efficiency and potential savings on your heating and cooling energy bills. With the ability to download and automatically install software updates using your home's wireless network, the Infinity 24 heat pump with Greenspeed intelligence can maintain optimum system performance while delivering peace of mind. The Infinity 24 heat pump with Greenspeed intelligence is also exceptionally quiet, with outdoor sound levels as low as 51 decibels, the lowest level in the variable speed outdoor category. And the Infinity Control's quiet mode allows you to ensure the sound level never rises above 69 decibels, making it easier to enjoy blissfully quiet nights of sleep. The Infinity 24 heat pump with Greenspeed intelligence also features enhanced dehumidification, removing up to 400% more moisture than a standard system. When indoor air is properly dehumidified, it feels cooler, which allows you to increase your thermostat setting, save on your monthly cooling costs, and remain comfortable in your home. Infinity 24 heat pumps with Greenspeed intelligence are ENERGY STAR qualified and may be eligible for utility rebates where available. With attractive financing options available, there's never been a better time to talk to your Carrier dealer and make the step up to one of the industry's most efficient ducted heat pump systems. Bring home advanced intelligence, outstanding efficiency, quiet convenience, and refined comfort with the new Carrier Infinity 24 heat pump with Greenspeed intelligence. Visit Carrier.com to learn more or find an expert near you. When it comes to comfort, turn to the experts at Carrier.